Did you know that essential oils can significantly alleviate symptoms of PTSD and PTSI, offering a natural alternative to traditional treatments? It's true, these little bottles of goodness might just be what you need for some relief. In this video, you'll discover how essential oils can support mental health, particularly for those experiencing PTSD and PTSI. Whether you're looking for ways to cope or just curious about holistic healing, stick around because there's a lot to unpack. Make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss anything. By the way, if you want to create your own faceless videos, the links are in the description. Now on with the show. Many individuals suffering from PTSD and PTSI struggle with finding effective, holistic approaches to manage their symptoms. Traditional treatments can often come with a laundry list of side effects, and not everyone finds them effective. Folks are left searching for something more natural and gentler. It can feel overwhelming, right? The challenges are real. Nightmares, flashbacks, anxiety, and emotional turmoil are just a few of the difficulties that can arise. I know because I've been there. My journey into the world of aromatherapy and essential oils started with my experience with PTSD/PTSI. I know what it's like to be shaking and crying in a closet after being triggered because the closet was the only place I felt safe. I know what it's like to have people who love you tell you that you should just get over it. Someone close to me literally told me to stop wallowing in my pain. It's the people who love you the most who can say the things that cut so deep. The first thing you need to know is that you're not suffering from a disordered way of thinking. You have experienced an actual brain injury that can be measured by an fMRI, functional MRI. Studies have consistently shown increased activation of the amygdala and reduced volume of the hippocampus in individuals with PTSD and PTSI. The amygdala is involved in emotional processing, while the hippocampus is crucial for memory formation. Altered activity in the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for executive functions and regulating emotions, has also been observed. This area often shows decreased activity, which may contribute to the difficulties in emotional regulation seen in PTSD/PTSI. Changes in the connectivity between different brain regions, such as the cerebellum and prefrontal regions, have also been linked to PTSD and PTSI symptoms. When symptoms improve, decreased activation in these areas has been observed. Your brain has literally changed. So how do we navigate these challenges of our mental health and wellness journey? That's where essential oils come in. So, what's the science behind using essential oils as a natural remedy for PTSD and PTSI? When you inhale aromatic compounds from essential oils, they enter your nasal cavity and interact with olfactory receptors. These receptors send signals to the limbic system, a part of your brain responsible for emotions, memory, and behavior. Interestingly, the limbic system is also closely linked to the endocrine system, which regulates hormones. Certain essential oils have been shown to influence the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, often referred to as the feel-good chemicals. One of the most effective ways to experience the benefits of essential oils is through inhalation. By diffusing essential oils in your environment, inhaling directly from a bottle, or inhaling from a cotton ball soaked with a few drops of essential oil, you create a consistent exposure to these aromatic compounds. I highly recommend using nasal aromatherapy inhalers because you can take them on the go for emergencies. Also, if you suffer from nightmares, add 4 to 5 drops of essential oils to a cotton ball, then place it between your pillow and pillowcase so you can smell it while you sleep. Taking at least 10 deep breaths with the cotton ball right after you get into bed can also be helpful. If you don't want oil on your pillowcases, place the cotton ball on your nightstand. You may want to add a few more drops in this case. I use a total of 8 drops for this method. Let's talk about some essential oils often associated with stress relief and emotional balance. Lavender. This classic calming oil has been extensively studied for its anxiolytic properties. Lavender interacts with specific receptors in the brain, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Bergamot, known for its uplifting aroma, bergamot can help improve mood and reduce feelings of stress. It's believed to have a balancing effect on the nervous system. Chamomile. With its soothing properties, chamomile can help alleviate anxiety and promote restful sleep. It's thought to interact with GABA receptors, which play a role in calming the brain. Frankincense. This grounding oil has been used for centuries to promote emotional well-being. It's believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce stress hormone levels. To wrap up, essential oils offer a promising complementary method for managing PTSD and PTSI symptoms, enhancing emotional health in a natural way. They can fit seamlessly into your life, providing support when you need it the most. Aromatherapy can enhance relaxation techniques like meditation and deep breathing, further supporting emotional well-being. Individual responses to essential oils can vary. It's essential to choose high-quality oils from reputable sources. Essential oils are a complementary approach and should not replace professional medical advice. If you're struggling with PTSD or PTSI, please seek help from a qualified mental health provider. So, did you learn something new today? That's exactly why this channel exists. If you found this video to be at all helpful, please give it a like. It's an easy way to support this channel and it only takes 2 seconds. Be sure to turn on notifications for new content and check out our other videos on natural healing methods. I would love to hear from you. This is a safe space to share your experiences. You never know who may be helped by reading your story. Thank you for watching to the end. See you next time.